I want to show you some new Power BI reports that Microsoft has added to projects in Dynamics 365 Business Central. These were recently released in 2025 Release Wave 2. Let's take a look at them. We're going to look at these 5 reports. They're really nice reports. There's some additional reports as well, but I really like these, so we'll take a look at these first. I like to use Power BI from powerbi.com. Gives me more functionality. It also enables me to easily share these reports with other people in my organization. But all these reports that we'll look at are available right out of the Business Central interface. So let's get started. This is a nice overview report. It gives you an overall view of all your projects that you've got in Business Central. I've got some nice KPIs at the top. You can see those right here. It gives me an instant look at what's happening in my organization as far as projects are concerned. If I want to drill down on some other aspects of it, I can see that here. I've got different project managers. I can click on that. I've got all my filters on the right-hand side. The filters are great for end users because they can really focus on what they want to get. And it's one thing that I really like about Power BI is I can share these reports with other people in my organization. They do not have to access the ERP system. It's a lot easier for them, and I maintain the security in my ERP system. As with other Power BI reports, I can click on a particular project right here, and the other graphs respond to that selection. There's a project task report. These are all the different tasks within the projects I've got in my system. This gives me an overall view of it. I can drill through and get more information on this particular line item. So here in the project planning lines, I've got a lot more detail on this particular report. I can easily go back. And if I want to, I can export this to Excel. It's easy to do. Let's go to export here. You can see I can analyze this in Excel. It will move it into Excel and do some formatting for you. So this is a handy report. And for end users, it's hard to beat this platform. It gives them the ability to search exactly what they want in information. They can export it. They can change the reports. It gives them a lot of flexibility. And here's another nice dashboard report. I've got different elements on this dashboard. Again, I've got the filters on the right. I can drill down and get additional information on these individual items. It's easy to do. I can drill down further and get that information. So this is an easy way to analyze the profitability of your projects. And I like this report because if you're maintaining budgets for your projects, which you probably are, this is a real easy way to look at how you're doing against those budgets and look at the profitability as well. And finally, I like this report because it's a graphical representation of the timeline that's built into the projects in Business Central. You can see I've got individual projects and I've got tasks within that. I can see all that information right here. So this is a handy way to look at the project timeline. I don't have to look at individual tasks and see the dates on those. I can look at it right here. So we've taken a look at some new Power BI reports that Microsoft has released with Dynamics 365 Business Central 2025 Release Wave 2. We looked at project overview, project task, project profitability, project performance to budget, and also the project timeline. These are just 5 of the reports that are available in an app from Microsoft. Microsoft makes these apps available in Microsoft App Source, and there's no additional cost for these apps. If you're ready to deploy Copilot in Microsoft 365, download our free guide with the link in our video description.